Thank you for buying this 302466 machine screw from Fixture Displays. This is M6x40. The thread type is coarse or standard. Overall length is 40 millimeters. The diameter is M6. It's a Phillips screw head and flat, also known as counter-sunk screws. Any questions? Feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Fixture Displays offer a wide variety of business and consumer products. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.